One cannot imagine our contemporary world without such main energy resources as oil and gas. Being one of the most powerful and technologically advanced complexes, the Russian oil and gas industry is of paramount importance for the international energy cooperation. The size of the complex allows meeting the domestic demand in full and supplying the energy resources to the international markets. In such a situation, the availability of reliable and high-quality equipment is thought to be the most important factor of success and uninterrupted work. The Gribanovsky machine-building plant is one of the Russian primary manufacturers of the equipment for gas, oil and the chemical industry. The history of the Gribanovsky plant dates back to 1936. In 1948, the plant earned the status of a machine-building plant. Since 1991 till 2003, the plant acted as an open joint stock company. And in 2003, it joined the ЦНО-Химмаш company group. Within a relatively short time, it mastered the production of the equipment for oil and gas processing, chemical and gas production industry, and started the construction of a new manufacturing complex in 2013 in view of the ever-increasing demand for its product. Nowadays, the plant is a modern enterprise which accumulated experience and innovative technologies, allowing it to manufacture the products being in high demand in the production industries. The plant is located in the urban-type settlement of Gribanovsky of the Voronezh region. The location of the plant site is very convenient in terms of logistics. There are approach lines. There are federal highways near here. The total area of the plant site is 13 hectares, including the area of covered manufacturing facilities, 37,000 square meters. The plant specializes in the production of air cooling units, with the operating pressure up to 320 bar, tube and shell heat exchangers for tanks and vessels, and spare parts to them. The air cooling units are widely used in the oil and gas industry for condensation and cooling purposes in vaporized, gaseous and liquid media. Besides, they are also used for natural gas cooling in booster compression stations in gas fields and compressor stations of main gas pipelines. Heat exchangers are designed for agent heating and cooling as part of the engineering processes in oil and gas processing, petrochemical and related industries. Owing to the availability of an adjustable manufacturing line and more than 30 designers working full-time, the plant is able both to manufacture its own product line and to provide the services related to the production of non-standard manufacturing equipment based on the customer's drawings and requirement specifications, including development of working construction documents. The plant has accumulated extensive experience in the production of domestic equipment instead of foreign equivalents, which allows reducing its expenses without prejudice to performance characteristics. To comply with high requirements set to the products, the plant has implemented a procedure for mandatory control of the quality of the incoming raw materials and supplies. The quality management system adopted at the plant has been certified in accordance with ISO 9001-2008 and STO Gazprom 9001-2012. The plant professionals are well experienced in the equipment selection and design based on the customer's configuration data sheets, in the production and supply of the equipment, including erection supervision work and startup and commissioning activities, warranty and post-warranty service. The plant pays much attention to the levels of knowledge and technical skills of its employees and does its best to improve these parameters by upgrading the competence of its employees. Much attention is also paid to renewal of the technical facilities, which is brought in line with the up-to-date international industry practices. In view of the ever-increasing demand for the products of the plant, new production facilities are commissioned, which allows considerably reducing production periods while meeting the high-quality standards and putting into production new specimen products. The quality of our product is highly appreciated within the Russian Federation. We have long-term partnership relations with many large enterprises. The plant belongs to the cluster of oil and gas equipment manufacturers in the Voronezh region and keeps a constant liaison with the Department of Industry, Business and Commerce of the region. Many years of successful cooperation with oil and gas leaders, responsibility, expertise and market understanding allow the Gribanovsky machine building plant to remain one of the best national companies in the field of production of equipment for the oil and gas processing industry.